Hi, it's Angeline here. Today I'm going to show you a fun technique which is ink blending with a makeup brush. I know it's kind of weird, but you'll see. So first, I've already stamped and colored this tractor from the Older But Wiser kit from Tierra and Unity, and also run some Lawn Fawn border dye across the entire cardstock. And today I'm going to use the Distress Oxide inks along with a makeup brush, as you can see here. So what I've noticed by using this brush comparing to the regular ink blending tool is that it blends so much easier and it doesn't create the harsh lines, and you don't even need a dedicated tool for each color. You could just swipe off the color on some scrap paper and just move on to the next color. So this will be cool for those who have trouble with ink blending. Then I'm just adding some water to the oxide inks to create some distressed look. And finally, I'm grabbing some brads from my stash to add to my card as well. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!